So welcome back. Here in this channel, we believe that some of the best beauty and hair remedy come straight from our kitchen. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make mango seed powder, a natural ingredient that is often overlooked. It has some amazing benefit for our skin, hair, and general well-being. Mango seeds powder have been used for generations in natural hair care, skin care, and traditional home remedy. So stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make mango seed powder, what it's used for, how it is used, and the amazing benefits of mango seed powder. Mango seed powder has been used in traditional remedy for years. It is rich in natural compounds that it can be used to support hair care and even used in natural skin treatments. And the best part of it is completely natural and easy to prepare at home. So if you love natural beauty remedy using the ingredients in your kitchen, you can try this. Thank you all for watching.